If you are living in Canada and if your baby is suffering with cold, cough, sore throat, then this video is for you. These all medicine you can easily get from Walmart. This one is for fever and pain. This one is for nasal congestion, running nose and sneezing. This one is for sore throat, and this is homeopathic syrup, which you can give up to 9-year-old baby. HydraSense, it's also very important because it's gonna clear the congestion and moist your baby's nose. Last but not least, the aspirator, which gonna help you to clear the congestion from your baby's nose. As I'm doing, you can lay down your baby and you can clear, or either you can hold on your lap and you can clear the congestion.